The death toll from the global coronavirus outbreak has crossed the alarming figure of 3,000 across the world, and at the moment close to 88,000 people are infected globally. Mainland China has reported 42 new deaths and 202 new patients. All cases are from the virus epicenter, Hubei province. But good news is that around 40,000 people have been cured from the deadly virus. The World Health Organization has said that this is the result of early trial of virus isolation, testing kits and clinical diagnosis. South Korea has confirmed 586 new cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. Now, this brings the infected toll to a whopping 4,000 cases. 87% of those new cases have been found in the southeastern city of Daegu, which is about 300 kilometers southeast of capital Seoul. South Korea has been worst affected country outside mainland China. The prevention and control efforts against the epidemic have been tightened across the country. Meanwhile, parts of the world are recording their first cases of COVID-19. The Caribbean country of Dominican Republic has confirmed its first case of coronavirus. The infected patient is of Italian descent. Dominican Republic is the fourth South American country to be affected by the outbreak after Ecuador, Brazil and Mexico reported cases earlier. Ecuador has reported 5 new cases of the lethal coronavirus, and Indonesia has also confirmed its first coronavirus case. Egypt's health ministry has confirmed a second case of COVID-19, and meanwhile Pakistan is conducting mandatory thermal screenings of all passengers who are entering the country. Now, there have been at least 35 confirmed cases of the virus and 1 death in the UK as well. And our correspondent Anila Chaudhary is joining us live now from London. Alina, welcome to WION. Just tell us about the update as far as the outbreak is concerned in the UK, because Prime Minister Boris Johnson himself came out and stated that the coronavirus is likely to become more significant as far as UK is concerned as well.
That's absolutely correct. And he has indeed said that it is business as usual in Britain as he held a COBRA National Security Committee meeting today. It involved the senior ministers, chief medical advisor and chief scientific advisor. But it seems that there will be no immediate action, such as cities and towns being shut down to confine and contain the coronavirus, which the public health body, Public Health England, have said will be widespread, will be spreading, widely, significantly. And Boris Johnson, the Prime Minister himself, has said that it's likely to be a significant outbreak over the next coming days and weeks. So he has confirmed that a 4-nation action plan has been signed off today in the COBRA meeting, and that will be published tomorrow. But for now, the general public are being urged to wash their hands, and that seems to be the general advice being given to Brits.
So the Prime Minister is urging Brits to go about their business as usual, but as far as Europe is concerned, EU has raised the coronavirus risk in member states to moderate to high. Europe is certainly gearing up for the coronavirus. Italy now has the highest number of coronavirus cases as far as Europe is concerned. So certainly everyone in Europe is gearing up to combat the spread of this virus.
Exactly, and I suppose there might be that sense of not trying to create fear or but obviously, the cases are spreading. There have been now 36 confirmed cases in the UK. 13 were announced yesterday, 12 in England and 1 in Scotland. It was the first case in Scotland, and Scotland's First Minister Nicola Sturgeon was present at the COBRA meeting today. And one of the cases where I'm reporting from in Essex seems that it had gone undetected. Actually, the patient in question had no link or history to travelling to Italy. So it seems that it's going undetected and spreading. So it remains to be seen what will be in the proposals and the plan that's been signed off in the COBRA meeting today. But for now, as Boris Johnson says, it is business as usual for Brits.
Right, Anila, thank you so much for joining us for all the updates as far as the battle against coronavirus is concerned in the UK and all across Europe.